Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to generate AI videos using Grok website. You can generate AI videos like text to video, image to video and video to video. So for that first we need to create our account. So you can create your account with your Gmail. So after that you have to select the option start creating. First, I'm going to show you how to generate AI videos using text to video. So in that, you can see the mode super fast, normal, ultra. I'm going to select normal. So after that, you can select your resolution. I'm going to select 480p. And then you can select the duration. You can select 8 second or 5 second. So I'm going to select 5 second. So if you want sound effects, you can add sound effects. You have to enable the sound effects. And then you can select the aspect ratio. I'm going to select 16:9. You can also select 9:16 if you want to create videos for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. So I'm going to select 16:9. So after that, you have to type your video prompt. So I'm going to type cat playing with dog. So after typing that, you have to select generate. It will generate your video. You have to wait for that. So our video is successfully generated. If you like the video, you can download that. You can also play your video. So one of the best advantage, sound effects can also be added to your video. So it is very good. So this is how you can generate video from text. Now I'm going to show you how to generate video from image. So for that you have to select the second option, image to video. So in that you have to select your image. You can select any kind of image. So I'm going to select this image. So after that you can select your mode. I'm going to select normal. And then you can select your resolution. And then you can select your duration for 5 seconds. If you want sound effects, you can enable. And then you can describe the motion. So I can describe the motions like for this image, I'm going to make the image dog riding the bicycle. So after typing your prompt, you have to select generate. It will generate your video using the image. So you have to wait for that. So our video is successfully generated. So if you like your video, you can download. You can also play your video. So sound effects is also added to my video. So this is how you can create video from image. So there are three options, text to video, image to video or video to video. So we can select any one of the option. So that's it. So Grok website is very useful if you want to create AI videos.